unmanned aerial vehicles or UAVs have become essential to modern military forces. These drones offer a unique combination of capabilities. They can conduct surveillance for extended periods. They can strike targets precisely with minimal risk to friendly personnel. From reconnaissance to attack missions, UAVs are changing the face of warfare. In this analysis, we will compare two such drones, the American MQ-1C Grey Eagle and the Indian Tapas. Both the United States and India have recognized the strategic importance of UAVs. These countries have invested heavily in developing their drone programs. The MQ-1C Grey Eagle and the Tapas represent the cutting edge of their respective drone technologies. These systems reflect the specific operational needs and strategic priorities of their respective countries. The MQ-1C Grey Eagle is a testament to American drone prowess. Developed by General Atomics Aeronautical Systems, this medium-altitude, long-endurance UAV has become a key asset for the United States Army. The Grey Eagle is an upgraded version of the iconic MQ-1 Predator drone. It boasts enhanced capabilities, including longer endurance, increased payload capacity, and the ability to carry a wider range of sensors and weapons. Deployed in various theaters of operation, the Grey Eagle has proven its worth in combat. It excels in providing real-time intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance data to ground commanders. The drone's extended loiter time over target areas makes it an invaluable asset for persistent surveillance missions. Furthermore, the Grey Eagle's ability to carry precision-guided munitions enables it to conduct surgical strikes against enemy targets, minimizing collateral damage. The Tapas, also known as the Rustam II, represents India's foray into the world of high-performance UAVs. Developed by India's Defence Research and Development Organization, the Tapas is designed to be a multi-role platform capable of meeting the surveillance and reconnaissance needs of the Indian Army, Navy, and Air Force. This medium-altitude, long-endurance UAV boasts an impressive range and endurance, allowing it to cover vast distances and remain airborne for extended periods. The Tapas is equipped with a sophisticated suite of sensors, including a synthetic aperture radar, electro-optical payloads, and electronic intelligence systems, enabling it to gather valuable intelligence data day and night and in adverse weather conditions. The drone's versatility and capabilities make it a crucial asset for India's border surveillance, maritime patrol, and counter-insurgency operations. The MQ-1C Grey Eagle and the Tapas UAV showcase distinct size and dimension differences, reflecting their intended operational roles. The Grey Eagle, with its larger wingspan of 17 meters, dwarfs the Tapas, which measures 14 meters. This difference in wingspan translates to a greater lift capacity for the Grey Eagle, allowing it to carry a heavier payload and operate at higher altitudes. In terms of length, the Grey Eagle measures 8 meters, while the Tapas is slightly shorter at 6.5 meters. The Grey Eagle's larger size accommodates a more powerful engine and additional fuel capacity, contributing to its greater endurance and range. The Tapas, while smaller, is designed to be more agile and maneuverable, making it well-suited for operations in confined airspace or over mountainous terrain. Section 5. Performance Comparison, Endurance, Range and Speed. The MQ-1C Grey Eagle and the Tapas UAV exhibit both similarities and differences. Both drones are designed for long-endurance missions, but the Grey Eagle has a clear advantage. The Grey Eagle can remain airborne for up to 36 hours, while the Tapas has an endurance of around 24 hours. In terms of range, the Grey Eagle outperforms the Tapas. With a range of over 4,000 kilometers, the Grey Eagle covers vast distances. The Tapas, with a range of around 1,000 kilometers, is still capable of long-range missions. The Grey Eagle is slightly faster, with a top speed of around 280 kilometers per hour compared to the Tapas's 250 kilometers per hour. Section 6. Powering the Flight Engine Showdown. The MQ-1C Grey Eagle and the Tapas UAV rely on different engine configurations. The Grey Eagle uses a Thielert Centurion 1.7 heavy fuel engine. This engine provides 165 horsepower, enabling high-altitude operations. The Tapas UAV is powered by a Hull NRTI engine. This engine generates around 180 horsepower. It highlights India's growing self-reliance in defense technology. Both engines are reliable and efficient, ensuring mission success. Section 7. Payload capabilities, carrying the fight. The MQ-1C Grey Eagle and the Tapas UAV are designed to carry a variety of payloads, enhancing their versatility and mission capabilities. The Grey Eagle, with its larger size and more powerful engine, boasts a significantly higher payload capacity. It can carry up to 363 kilograms of internal payload and an additional 227 kilograms on its external hardpoints. This payload capacity allows the Grey Eagle to be armed with a range of precision-guided munitions, including AGM-114 Hellfire missiles and GBU-44B Viper Strike guided bombs. The Tapas UAV, while having a smaller payload capacity than the Grey Eagle, can still carry a respectable amount of weight. It can accommodate up to 75 kilograms of internal payload and an additional 100 kilograms on its external hardpoints. The Tapas can be armed with lightweight precision-guided bombs and air-to-ground missiles, providing it with a strike capability for targeted operations. Section 8. Sensors and avionics. Eyes and ears in the sky. Both the MQ-1C Grey Eagle and the Tapas UAV are equipped with sophisticated sensor and avionics suites, enabling them to perform their ISR and targeting roles effectively. The Grey Eagle's primary sensor is the AN-ZPY-1 Starlight Radar, a lightweight, active electronically scanned array AESA radar that provides high-resolution imagery and ground-moving target indication capabilities. It is also equipped with an electro-optical infrared sensor turret that provides day and night imagery and laser designation capabilities for precision targeting. The Tapas UAV relies on a combination of indigenous and imported sensors. It features a synthetic aperture radar for all-weather ground mapping and a high-resolution electro-optical infrared sensor turret for target identification and tracking. Both drones are equipped with secure communication systems that allow them to transmit real-time data to ground control stations and other assets in the battle space. Section 9. Grey Eagle versus Tapas. A comparative glance. The MQ-1C Grey Eagle and the Tapas UAV represent different approaches to UAV design and capabilities. The Grey Eagle, with its larger size, greater payload capacity, and more powerful engine, is a true multi-role platform capable of conducting both ISR and strike missions. Its long endurance and range make it suitable for operations far from its base, and its sophisticated sensor suite provides unparalleled situational awareness. The Tapas, while smaller and less heavily armed, is a highly capable UAV in its own right. Its agility and maneuverability make it well-suited for operations in confined airspace or over mountainous terrain. Its indigenous sensor and avionics suite demonstrates India's growing technological prowess in the field of UAV development. Section 10. Conclusion. 2 drones, 2 purposes, 1 goal. National security. The MQ-1C Grey Eagle and the Tapas UAV are both valuable assets for their respective countries, reflecting the growing importance of UAVs in modern warfare. The Grey Eagle, with its superior endurance, range, and payload capacity, provides the United States with a decisive edge in intelligence gathering and strike operations. The Tapas, while smaller in scale, significantly enhances India's surveillance and reconnaissance capabilities, contributing to border security and counter-insurgency efforts. As technology continues to advance, we can expect to see even more sophisticated and capable UAVs emerge, further shaping the future of warfare. The development and deployment of these systems highlight the commitment of nations like the United States and India to maintaining a technological edge in an increasingly complex and unpredictable security environment.